I was hanging out with family and getting ready to go home, and I stumbled across early bird morning marathon. Here's another one. Look like they're taking using the Hawksworth Bridge, the Santa Elena Bridge, and the low line wooden bridge. And this is by the bazaar slash market area. Good job, bro. I did see a few La Ruta Maya canoes. Some people verify and confirm that there's no pre-La Ruta Maya canoe race right now. It's just like paddlers going out practicing. Or it seems like they're not using the Hawksworth Bridge. They're coming from a different direction. Morning, morning. Morning. So cancel it. They're not using or coming across the Hawksworth Bridge.
Alright, I have here and finishing is Loma Adventist Hospital.
Okay, that's where they finish or they start?
That's where it start and finish.
Oh, so okay, so and then what's the route that they're taking? So they
Well, they have a 10K and a 5K.
okay.
Yeah, so both of them are the 5K. You come down the Loma Boulevard and you take the left on Branchmouth.
Mm-hmm.
You go up by the one second. You go up by the market,
Mm-hmm.
and you go that way by St. Ignatius High School, and then you go to the hospital.
And then this
Good job, good job. Straight down the wooden bridge.
and these ones are coming from where?
These are the 10K.
So the 10K, what's the route that the 10K is
The 10K
taking?
going straight from Lomanos Boulevard straight up to the stoplight. Take a right down
Mm-hmm.
on that. You go straight down from the stoplight. I don't remember what's the name of that road, but it's a big hill by Rollins.
Yeah.
You go up that big hill and you come out on Bullet Tree Road,
Mm-hmm.
and then you take the left. Hello, straight down by the wooden bridge. You know where it is?
Yes.
Straight down, you take the right. Good job.
And if say you have international people that would
Yeah.
want to sign up, how would they go
Well,
about
we
signing
have-
up for this event? And
we-
is it the first time?
We have international people that are running,
Mm-hmm.
but you can sign up you can contact the Loma Adventist Hospital WhatsApp account,
Mm-hmm.
and you can sign up there. We have some international people that are running today too.
Sweet.
This is actually the first time.
First, okay.
First time, yeah, but it's gonna be something that is gonna be done annually.
Annual, okay.
Total, we have over 150 runners.
Yeah, I could tell because I was hanging out at my aunt's house and it was quite a bit. They had quite a bit of runners coming through there. And I think that route might have been like the 5K.
Okay.
So the gentleman stated that there's a 5K and a 10K, and it starts and finish at the Loma Hospital in Santa Elena. Safe to say, Red Creek / Hat Point. That's where Loma Hospital is located at. So I do believe the 5K starts at Loma Boulevard, takes a left onto George Price, then a right onto Loma Boulevard, then a left onto Savannah, and then um, you veer left onto the low-line wooden bridge, and then you head back into Santa Elena. This would be into San Ignacio. So I think for the 10K they come through here, but they start off at Loma Boulevard. I think they Loma Hospital, then they take George Price, a section of George Price, then Loma Boulevard, and they might have either they stay strong on the main road or they divert towards they said they have 6 more for the 10K. And they might have take Joseph Andrews up the hill, so that's going up, and then they would come around and come down this way, back across to the low line bridge, and then into the heartland of Santa Elena. He stated that this is the first time this event is being held, and they're planning and prepping it to let it be an annual thing. So all you international CrossFit marathon runners, you can sign up. There's a 5K and then there's a 10K. We do work for like, shares, and comments. Also remember to subscribe to the channel as well. There we go. We have a couple more coming in. Now I'm not saying this gentleman is a part of it, but that gentleman right there in the blue t-shirt that my fingers are blotting out, and then the other two just off up in the distance. So they said there's a total of 6 remaining to complete the 10K. This puts it at 3 right here, so you got 3 more coming in. Preparation. Morning. There's another one coming on right there. Make sure you factor in La Ruta Miles right around the bend. You can also sign up for that and come on in and have a great old time. You can sign up your team, or you can just follow the event, be a spectator. That's a traffic officer over there. That's helping and assisting with the race. That direction, bro. This is the San Ignacio police station. We currently have one in Santa Elena as well too, a sub-branch. So the officials claim that there's 6 final runners for the 10K. So now we're just down to 2 more. So there's 2 more athletes to cap it off, and that's all she wrote. And like I stated, that I stumbled across this event, so I was fortunate enough to just gather just a couple info, because they do have roadside assistance and officials, but one of the gentlemen stated that it's only a limited of officials slash staff or road coordinators or road assistants that's out and available. Most definitely also have the blessings and the support of the town council, because they do have a few town council traffic officers out assisting. So that's one of the officials that got support and permission to abandon his post right here. Basically just go check on the last 2 marathon athletes. Ooh, here they come. So the final 2 is right there coming down the hill. Awesome sauce. Along with the town council traffic officer as well. Walking, it's about we'll say about 20 to 25 minutes away. Jogging for the finish line should be approximately 15 minutes or less, depending on how much they can, how strong they can maintain and keep the pace that they're going at right now to get to the finish line at the Loma hospital. But we're not gonna go over there, so this is what I would safely say, over and out. And make sure you schedule and put Belize on your bucket list as place to come explore, experience, and discover yourself.